Welcome back guys. So how can you become a profitable trader? I will be sharing with you 3 tips that is like a summary of my more than 10 years of trading experience. So let's start with tip number 1. So the first tip is you need to identify market structure at higher time frames, either the daily or the weekly time frame, and that will reveal a lot of stuff to you. For example, look at this 11,000 level on the Nasdaq 100. We saw support over here and a lot of support over here also. So this was an important level. Next we can see around 12,000 area. Look at this was all resistance before, resistance over here also. So this is telling me about the market structure, that this area is my supply zone and this area is my demand zone, and these are the key levels I need to keep in my mind. So guys, once you have got these supply and demand zone on higher time frames, then you can go down towards lower time frame, for example 15 minutes, and then we can further see what is happening. Like this action over here around the 12,000 number. Again over here market was in a strong downtrend. Now it has broken that downtrend and trying to go up towards the 12,000 mark. So tip number 1 is to identify demand and supply zone. Tip number 2 is an interesting one. I see a lot of people start trading without any strategy at all. They see these crazy returns on social media and then they just jump into trading, which is absolutely wrong. You should have some strategy for trading, some rules for trading. Without that you will end up in a loss. Even for starters, you can have something as simple as RSI. Like for example, whenever it goes below 30-35, that is the time I will enter the market. Whenever it is above 65, I will sell. At least you have a strategy. Or maybe you can use moving averages as the strategy, but have a strategy. And over time, if you are recording your trades, you can see that which strategy was working well, which was not working well. You can adjust your trades according to the data you collect. This will help you become profitable. Now tip number 3, this is the most important one guys, and this is to learn proper risk management, which means when you enter a trade, you should know your take profit, you should know your stop loss, you should always be trading with a risk to reward ratio of greater than 1.5. Let me show you an example. Imagine if someone decided to go long over here 11,750 and he is thinking that he will take profit at the 12,000 mark. Look at this 12,000 and look at where the price can go, giving you a risk to reward ratio 0.53. This is a very bad risk to reward ratio. Let's take another example for a risk to reward ratio of 1:2, which means your stop loss will be 1% and your take profit will be 2%. Imagine you take 10 trades. Imagine you take 10 trades with this risk to reward ratio. 5 of them are in loss, so minus 5%, and 5 of them are in profit, so plus 10% for you. Net you will be 5% in profit even after losing 5 trades and winning 5 trades. So that is the power of risk management. Please do learn proper risk management, especially if you are doing leverage trading or futures trading. This is very important. Just an example, we can look at the opposite situation also. Imagine you are not using risk management, your loss is roughly 10%, whereas whenever you win 5%. This will give you net minus 5% over the long run. So that is why it is very important to learn risk management. So yeah guys, these were some quick tips. Let me know in the comments below which tips helped you get into profit, and as always, good luck trading. Thank you.